In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify to your bank account. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Now from here, what you want to do is go to your payments, and in the supported payment methods, simply click on add payment method. Now here you can search by payment method. So let's say your bank account is Visa or MasterCard. You can just simply select it from here. Now there are a bunch of different available payment methods from here. So you can just simply select one. Also, you can search here by provider. So let's say MasterCard. So it's not. So you can just search your bank accounts from here. Also, if you already added yours, just like mine, I already added it here. You can just simply edit your billing profile. You can remove or replace this and add your current bank account. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.